Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix mouse automatically scrolling here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step is we need to open our device manager. How we can do that? At the start icon, you need to do a right click, scroll up and go with device manager. Once you have opened it, expand it first. And here you need to proceed on mice and other pointing devices. Click this forward arrow and you need to update your mouse driver. Okay? So just have to select your mouse driver and then do a right click and go with update driver. And here in this window, it will opt you to choose two options, proceed on search automatically for drivers. And if your machine says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then close this window and then as well as this device manager and proceed to the second step, which is we will be navigating the same process, which is we need to do a right click here at the start icon, proceed to device manager once again, and here you need to expand it first and proceed to mice and other pointing devices. Click this forward arrow and proceed to your mouse driver. So let's say for example this is the mouse driver that you have. Just have to do a right click and go with uninstall device. Now, before attempting to uninstall device, just have to make sure that this attempt to remove the driver for this device is unchecked. Once you have checked it, once you have unchecked this, just have to proceed on uninstall and it will be uninstalled in your device. Okay, so just have to restart your computer and it will be automatically installed again and check if your problem has been fixed. Okay. Unless if it doesn't, then we need to move on to our next step, which is here at the settings, you need to go with Windows Update, okay? And here you would be able to see the Windows Update tab. You need to proceed on Update History. And here you need to scroll down and proceed to uninstall updates. Now here's the catch. You need to identify the recent or the latest update that you have in your Windows. Okay. So you just have to look for the date. Okay, just observe the date and if it's in the latest one, just have to uninstall such. Once you have done installed that, restart your computer and check if your problem has been fixed. And let's if it doesn't, then we need to move on to our last step, which is here at the left side of your screen, you need to go with Bluetooth and devices. Click on it. The moment you've click on it, just have to scroll down and look for this option which is mouse. Tap it to continue and here you are able to see a section called scrolling. Just have to proceed on scroll inactive windows when hovering over them and turn this off. Once you have turned it off, just have to click this to close the window and then you need to check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.